Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV T5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. Now, by default, you want to open up your contacts application. Oh, there we go, it's right over here. This will display all the contacts that are located on your Google account if you have one signed in. I do. As you can see, it's pulling 18 contacts from it. Now, if I tap on this icon of my account, it will show me also my SIM card as an option. So I can display contacts from it. But obviously, we're not interested in displaying contacts from it. We're interested in importing them. So we're going to navigate to Fix and Manage. But before I do so, I'm just going to quickly mention that when you click on here, you can see we only have two options. There will be a third option based on the settings that I will select in a moment. So Fix and Manage, and here we're going to select Manage SIM. This will display all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. Now, as you can see, some of them are grayed out, which is normal because they already exist on the location where the device is trying to import them to, which is the Google account. But if I change the location to something like the device, you can see that I can now import all of them because we didn't even have the device option. There were no contacts on it, so it just didn't even show the option. But now once I import them to the device, but before I do so, I'm going to mention that you can deselect them yourself, obviously. So anyway, from here we can select where we import them to, and then click on import. This automatically imports them. I'm going to keep the backup off, but it's completely up to you. It would back up these contacts to your Google account. So that's not what I wanted to do anyway. Now, when we go back to our contacts list and click on this icon right here, you can see that now we have a third option, device, which will display the contacts that I have just imported. And additionally, like you've seen with the pop-up, if you chose to select to back up your contacts, it would back them up to your Google account. So for me, it would have been this one, which all these contacts already exist here, so it wouldn't really do much. But anyway, this is how you can import your contacts to the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.